Hi guys, good morning. So this is my wake up face. Very clumsy, right? But it's okay because today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for men. So before we start, I need to clean my oily face with oil control film. Okay, not much oily face this morning. Okay, so we're gonna start with a basic, which is in2it new oil control press powder. Okay, so the brush powder here and powder. Okay, the plastic cover for the powder, and you no need to use very a lot of powder. Just take a few only and appear what you call brush at your face. I'm gonna do at the right side first so you can compare with my left side. Actually, this is my first time doing this, and I'm not very good in makeup tutorial. But when I use this, I'm really impressed that wow, I love it. Okay, you can see the difference. This side look more smooth, okay, and this right like shining like that. So this to avoid the oily face. Okay, done. Very fast and simple, right? So now you can see my face is smooth. Cool. Okay. I'm not comfort using camera for doing this, so I'm gonna take mirror, put in front of me, okay? This to make the eyebrow look more natural. That's what I impressed about the in2it men eyebrow liner, because this liner made our eyebrow look more natural. And I like to make this side at the end more longer like this. Okay. Okay, so now you can see the comparison within this side and this side. And what is the most challenging is you need to do side by side similarly. What you call symmetry. Okay. Okay, I'm done doing this my eyebrow, and for the next is to apply mascara on your eyebrow. Okay, how to do this? So the what you call the mascara looks like this, and I try to apply a few first. But because I have not much eyebrow, so need to be careful. and I need to use this brush because I'm not very familiar using the mascara. Okay, for the left side. Okay. Oh, right, I told you I really impressed with this makeup. Okay, so we already done. Apply the powder, eyebrow liner, mascara, eyebrow. Okay, so next, actually my lips already good, not dark. I'm trying to use in2it matte and moist lip balm. This is in2it. Okay, I'm done. So actually I bought 4 types for makeup. So please comment guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, our channel, Hafiz and Harry channel. So morning. So you can see that my face more fresh, right? Okay, that's all. Please comment anything good or negative. It's okay, up to you. Will not delete the comment. Bye bye.